Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to another important update on LAB token. If you're currently holding LAB or thinking about buying it at these levels, make sure you watch this video until the end, because today we're going to break down the latest price action, the newest ecosystem update, and the biggest factor that could decide whether LAB makes its next move higher or experiences another correction. Before we begin, if you enjoy daily cryptocurrency updates, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and join our Telegram community using the link in the description. That's where I post breaking crypto news, market updates, and important alerts before they appear on YouTube. Now, let's get started. At the time of recording, LAB token is trading around 1527s, and during the last 24 hours, the token has declined by roughly 5%. While a 5% drop may seem worrying at first glance, what's actually more interesting is the way the price has behaved over the last several days. Instead of making a strong move upward or crashing lower, LAB has entered a tight consolidation range around the 15-cent support zone. Buyers continue defending this level, while sellers have also prevented the price from breaking higher. This has created a classic battle between bulls and bears. Whenever a cryptocurrency trades sideways for an extended period, it usually means the market is preparing for a larger move. The only question is whether that move will be to the upside or the downside. Looking deeper into the market data, LAB currently has a market capitalization of approximately $47.4 million, while the 24-hour trading volume is close to $26.8 million. One thing immediately stands out. The trading volume is more than half of the total market cap, which tells us that there is a significant amount of buying and selling activity taking place. High trading volume during a consolidation phase usually means that both buyers and sellers are actively competing for control. Right now, neither side has won that battle. This explains why the price keeps moving slightly up and down without producing a clear breakout. Many traders expected LAB to continue its previous rally after it climbed close to the 19-cent area, but the token failed to hold that momentum. Sellers stepped in, and the price returned toward the 15-cent support region. The important question now is whether this support will continue holding. If buyers remain strong and demand continues increasing, LAB could eventually break above its current resistance and start another bullish trend. However, if sellers gain control and the support level breaks, then we could see another wave of downside pressure before the next recovery begins. Now let's move to the latest developments surrounding the project itself. The biggest recent update comes from the LAB ecosystem. The project has officially activated its staking feature, allowing users to lock their LAB tokens inside the official application and earn staking rewards over time. This is a positive development because staking encourages long-term holding instead of immediate selling. Every token that becomes locked for staking temporarily reduces the circulating supply available on exchanges. Normally, this kind of update supports price stability and can even become bullish over time. However, there is another side to the story. At the same time staking has gone live, the project is also continuing its token unlock schedule. This means that previously locked or rewarded tokens are gradually becoming available for users to claim and sell. As a result, the market is currently facing two completely opposite forces. On one side, investors are locking their tokens to earn rewards, reducing available supply. On the other side, previously unlocked tokens are entering circulation, increasing selling pressure. These two events are happening simultaneously, creating uncertainty in the market. This explains why LAB has remained trapped inside its current consolidation range, despite the strong trading volume. Many community members are now closely watching which force becomes stronger. If staking participation grows faster than token unlock selling, the price could eventually gain bullish momentum. But if more holders decide to sell their unlocked rewards immediately, then selling pressure could keep the token under pressure for several more days. This is one of the most important factors every LAB investor should monitor. Another interesting observation is that the official LAB social media accounts have remained relatively quiet over the past couple of days. No major announcements have been released recently, which means traders are relying more on community discussions and technical analysis than on official news. Several independent analysts continue sharing their market outlook. Some remain optimistic because of the new staking system and the growing ecosystem. Others believe the ongoing unlock schedule may temporarily limit price growth. One analyst recently suggested that short-term traders should remain cautious while LAB stays below resistance. According to that view, the current market structure still leaves room for additional downside before a stronger recovery begins. Of course, no prediction is guaranteed. Crypto markets are extremely volatile, and every trader should make decisions based on personal research rather than following social media opinions. Another encouraging sign is the continued growth of LAB holders. The number of wallet holders has increased significantly over time, showing that more investors are becoming interested in the project. Growing adoption is generally positive over the long term, because it indicates expanding community support. However, it also means more investors are exposed if the price experiences another sharp correction. That is why risk management becomes extremely important. If you're already holding LAB for the long term and believe in the project's future, you may simply choose to monitor the ongoing token unlock events and staking participation. If you're considering opening a new position, this may not be the ideal time to rush into the market. Instead, waiting for confirmation of either a breakout above resistance or a breakdown below support could provide a much clearer trading opportunity. Remember, successful trading is often about patience rather than constantly buying and selling. As long as LAB remains trapped around the 15-cent support area, the market is still deciding its next direction. Once that decision is made, we could finally see the next major move. That being said, this is only my personal market analysis and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency and never risk more money than you can afford to lose. Let me know your opinion in the comments below. Do you think LAB token will break above 19 cents and continue higher, or do you expect another drop before the next rally begins? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed today's analysis, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our Telegram community for the latest crypto updates. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.